All right, if you've got a load of concrete to mix and put in a hole for a basketball hoop or a flagpole or something, I've got a life hack idea for you here. You don't have to lift an ounce. What you're going to do is have the people at the store load up all of the cement for you in your truck or however you're hauling this, right? And then you're going to back up the truck and look at this. You can position each bag over a wheelbarrow and just cut the bag and tip it over. You don't have to lift anything. So get the 80-pound bags. You're going to save money and less bags overall. Just cut it open, drop it in there, and then have your garden hose next to it so you can mix it up. And then you can just take the shovel and put it in there, or tip the wheelbarrow up and pour it into the hole. And there you go. That is it. Quick tip for you. Moving lots of concrete, mixing lots of concrete, 12 80-pound bags in this project here without lifting a finger for the most part.